Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
Apply this baking soda and apple vinegar mask for 5 minutes and watch the results. Your stains and acne will disappear as if by magic. Having flawless and beautiful skin doesn't have to be an out-of-reach attainment. There are plenty of natural remedies which can improve the way your skin looks. Hence, we decided to show you a homemade remedy for a flawless skin. This is an all-natural remedy which will improve the appearance of the skin. Moreover, it will soothe the skin, reduce the appearance of pores, and eliminate any discolorations or other skin issues. What's more, this remedy will eliminate blackheads, treat acne, and exfoliate the skin. If you thought that this is possible only with expensive products, you will be surprised what this natural remedy can do. Moreover, this remedy requires several natural ingredients, such as baking soda, apple cider vinegar, lemon, coconut oil, and honey. These ingredients contain nutrients, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. Due to these nutrients and powerful properties, the mask you will see below is extremely effective. As a result, just after 5 minutes, your skin will be rejuvenated and improved. Baking soda and apple vinegar mask. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon organic apple cider vinegar, 1/2 organic lemon, 1 teaspoon organic coconut oil, 1 teaspoon raw organic honey. Instructions: first, dilute the apple cider vinegar in half a glass of water. Then, take a container, add the baking soda, coconut oil, the vinegar, and water mixture. Next, add the lemon juice and honey. Mix well until you get a homogeneous mixture. You should apply the mask on a clean face. Leave it to dry for 5–10 minutes and rinse it off. Use warm water and finish with cold water.